So I've ordered beef curry and a naan bread with garlic and coriander. And this lovely little shop in this village here. I'm just going to sit on this table with this view. I'm heading towards the mountains here. Food now, and then I'm set for the night. I can just drive around until late, you know. What a view, eh? Where else can I eat my food in a place like this? And this view in Isle of Skye, seeing the mountains. It's absolutely incredible. There's a beef curry. Freshly made. Welcome to Great Collins Takeaway. And that naan smells delicious. I've not had no beef for ages, so that's why I've had so much chicken and rice in there as well. Let's give it a taste test. It's medium spice. About right, medium. Nice tender beef. Delicious. Absolutely lovely. I didn't have much of a lunch either, so I'm ready for it. Let's try this garlic naan. Blowing away. Wow.
There's a cup of tea, milk. No
Okay, brilliant.
no
Thank you very
sugars.
much.
Everything all right?
Yes, lovely. I'm really
Good.
enjoying it. Thank you very much.
Enjoy, sweetie.
It's really friendly. That naan's nice. I say 9 out of 10. This curry, 10 out of 10. The tea taste test. Yeah, it's a nice tea. Well, the food really delicious. I've ate it all, and there we go. I'm in no hurry to leave. I got it at the perfect time because they're closing at 6. It's just 6 now. I came about 5:30 and got a meal. I'm set for the night now.